What's up guys, in this water test video, let's find out how the Honor 8X reacts against water in case of rain or water accidents. The purpose of this test is to give you an idea of what may happen to the Honor 8X, a device with no waterproofing. What can happen if it gets wet by accident or rain, because every phone reacts differently to water. So starting this test by checking the layer of oleophobic coating on this unnamed glass protection. It does great by forming spherical droplets due to the oleophobic layer. Because if you remember from previous tests, the Realme 1 and the Realme 2 Pro completely lack this layer and the water used to stick to the glass instead of rolling off, not really helping in repulsing water. The presence of an oleophobic layer also helps in reducing fingerprint smudges. Every phone reacts differently to water, the most common being low distorted audio through the external speakers and can last anywhere from a few seconds to several hours, which may damage the audio unit. Or the recently failed Asus Zenfone 5Z, which had suffered from screen damage issues due to water seeping inside the display. The Xiaomi Redmi Y2, where the screen had turned off for 14 hours. Or the Realme 2 Pro, where water had entered the camera. So not every phone is able to reach the heavy drenching round like the Poco F1, Realme 1 or the Redmi Note 5. Let's hope that the Honor 8X is able to pass the light splashing round without any damage and does better than the Realme 2 Pro. Throughout the test, the external audio was mostly unaffected or recovering within a few seconds. No damage to the display like the Zenfone 5Z, and the camera remained unaffected even after heavy water abuse. The Honor 8X, which is not waterproof and does not have any IP rating, does a great job at resisting water and passes the test.